All right, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Uh, this is part two of a no destination ride. I just decided to go out and start riding a little bit one day here. It's about, it was recorded about 2 weeks ago. Kind of a miserable day. You can see the haze in the video that comes from humidity, but let's go for the ride and enjoy it with me.
Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
And it's not really a good day to ride, a lot of rain, but I love to ride, and I do that sometimes when I want to clear my head and get out and get at it.
There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
And the theme have for this, it's like 3 videos gonna come out of this. One of the thing that I wanted to do is show, like I did in video number 1. You go there, you look at it, it's a totally different. You're in the Angeles area, you're traveling there, and then you get in number 2, you feel like you're almost in a different world, because the free zone here in Clark is very, very different from, for example, inside Angeles. It's a big difference. So number 3 is going to be different. Big city, Filipino city, then the free zone, and the next one, you got to watch it to get it. But anyway, I also themed it, like I said, time for change. Most of us out there, we have been cooped up for what now, 17, 18, 19 months. Now we here are restricted from traveling in many ways across the provincial lines. And you guys know me. We've been, a lot of times we're going down to Morong, other places, and that has just not happened over the last 17 months. We got one short window of opportunity. I think that was in February, March, where kind of everything got a little relaxed, and we took the chance and we went there and had a couple of great, wonderful days at the beach. Unfortunately, that is no longer possible unless you follow some requirement, but again, not as long as you are or we are in the quarantine. And we'll we'll see what comes out of it. We learned a lot of things, and I believe there is a time where change will come.
There's a heavy weight you've been trying to hold on to, but you can lay it all down with me. 'Cause in the end I'm just trying to show you, you don't need more pain and misery. And baby, 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 you gotta hold on to what we got and give me, give me, give me all of your love, all of your love.
All right, don't miss our live feed every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And here in the Philippines, it is Thursday morning, obviously, and at 8 a.m. All right, coming up on Centennial Road, still in Clark, Freeport, and we'll see where this will take us. And up this way, straight ahead, you have Nayong Filipino Park, I think it's called. It's like a little historical village, and we were here, I think 2 years ago it was, and they said they opened in August. We came back in August, it wasn't open. We've been back a couple of times since then, still not open.
It's mine if we plant the seed. And baby, 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 you gotta hold on to what we got and give me, give me, give me all of your love, all of your love. Yeah, baby, 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 you gotta hold on to what we got and give me, give me, give me all of your love, all of your love.
All right, so we're gonna head up. This road leads up towards the Clark International Raceway, and I think a few hundred meters up the road here, you actually you can see the tower on the right hand side. And we had some bloggers up here with their motorcycles running around the track, and you can play around there, go as fast as you want. There's no limitation. So for a lot of people, that can be a fun thing to do. And this video, you guys been riding with me through Clark several times. Nothing new, but it is a nice place to ride because of less traffic, not so many jeepneys, and that makes it really pleasurable to ride. Okay, so we are coming to the end. This is going to be a really, oops, I say, not too many jeepneys. And here you got one blocking me. Anyway, coming to the end of this video. And part number 3 will be in a totally different environment. Hit that subscribe button and share and like our videos, and we'll see you again soon.
Why won't